Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student looking to make some extra money online without skipping classes or getting a full-time job, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share the best online earning apps for students in 2025, real legit ways to make money using just your smartphone or laptop. And don't worry, no scams, no get-rich-quick stuff, just practical, proven apps that actually pay. So grab your phone, take some notes, and let's jump right in. Section 1. Freelancing apps. Let's start with freelancing, because honestly, if you've got a skill, the internet will pay you for it. First up, Fiverr. This is one of the most popular platforms where students can sell services like graphic design, writing, video editing, or even social media management. You can start small, say 5 or 10 gigs, and as you get good reviews, you can raise your prices. Some students earn a few $100s a month here just by doing what they enjoy. Next is Upwork. It's more professional, great for long-term projects. You can find clients from around the world who need everything from website development to copywriting. It might take a few days to get your first client, but once you do, it's steady income. And if you're confident in coding or design, check out TopTail. It's a bit advanced, but they pay really well. Think of freelancing as your digital part-time job, flexible hours, global clients, and skills that look great on your resume. Section 2. Tutoring and teaching apps. All right, if you're good at academics, say you're great at math, English, or science, why not teach it? Apps like Chegg Tutors or Preply let you earn by tutoring students online. You can pick your own schedule and teach from your dorm room. Super convenient. Chegg pays around $15–25 an hour, and you can work whenever you want. If you're into languages, Cambly is awesome. You get paid to chat in English with learners from other countries. No degree, no fancy qualifications, just conversation and patience. So if you love explaining concepts or helping others learn, this is one of the easiest ways to earn online. Section 3. Survey and microtask apps. Now, not everyone wants to teach or freelance, and that's okay. If you just want to earn some small cash during breaks, microtask and survey apps are perfect. Apps like Swagbucks, Google Opinion Rewards, and Taluna influencers pay you for taking surveys, watching ads, or testing products. For example, with Google Opinion Rewards, you'll get short surveys like, which brand do you prefer, A or B, and you earn credits or PayPal cash for answering. Now, you want to make thousands here, but a few dollars a day can easily add up to $50 or $100 a month. Perfect for small expenses or your Netflix subscription. Section 4. Creative earning apps. If you're someone who loves creating, designing, writing, or making content, this section is for you. Let's start with Canva creators. If you're good at design, you can make templates for Instagram posts, resumes, or business cards, and earn every time someone downloads them. Next, Medium. A platform where you can write articles about topics you care about. The more people read your posts, the more you earn through the Medium Partner Program. So if you like writing essays or explaining things, turn that skill into income. And of course, YouTube Shorts and TikTok, the kings of creative monetization. Make short videos about your student life, study tips, gadgets, or even finance, and you can earn through brand deals or creator funds once your audience grows. So yeah, your creativity can literally become your paycheck. Section 5. Investment and cashback apps. Now, if you're someone who wants to grow your money, not just earn it, check out investment and cashback apps. Apps like Grow, Zerodha, or Robinhood let you start investing with as little as $1 or $100. It's a great way to learn how markets work while you study. But remember, invest only what you can afford to lose, and always research before buying stocks or crypto. If you're not ready for that yet, go for Rakuten, Cashcaro, or Honey. They give you cash back for shopping online. It's like free money for things you were already buying. Section 6. Gaming and fun apps. And yes, if you love gaming, there are apps for that too. Mistplay lets Android users earn rewards for playing games. Buff Gaming works on PC. It tracks your gameplay and gives you points you can redeem for gift cards. Just remember, these are more for fun side income, not serious money. But hey, if you're gaming anyway, why not earn a little extra? Section 7. Content monetization. Once you've got a hobby or audience, You can start earning passively through platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi. They let your followers support you with monthly donations or tips. Or, if you're organized, sell your Notion templates or study planners on Etsy. Students love productivity tools, and digital products can earn you money even while you sleep. Section 8. Tips to stay smart. All right, before you download every app I mentioned, here are a few pro tips. Avoid scams. Legit apps never ask for upfront payments. Be patient. Most platforms take time before your first payout. Focus on learning. Use these apps to build real-world skills like communication, design, or finance. Balance your studies. Remember, your education comes first. These apps should support your journey, not distract from it. So there you have it, the top online earning apps for students in 2025. Whether you want to freelance, teach, create, or just earn small rewards in your free time, there is an app out there waiting for you. Start small, stay consistent, and who knows? The side hustle you start today could turn into your full-time career tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making and tech tips, and drop a comment below telling me, which app are you going to try first? Thanks for watching.